Hello children, in this class I will continue with the rest of the part from the chapter The Two Frogs. On their journey, finally they reach the top of the hill. There they saw a large clear pool of water with pink, purple and red lilies. So lily is the name of a flower. This is the picture of that lily flower. Okay. There the frogs croaked loudly with joy and hopped from one lily pad to another. Though they felt tired, but they were very happy with that situation. As they splashed into the water with full excitement, they bumped into each other. So soon they were exchanging stories of their travels. Osaka Frog describes how he had escaped from a stork beak. Stork is a kind of a bird. Look, the picture of a bird here. This is a stork, and this stork of a beak he had escaped. The Quato frog croaked loudly. When these frogs croaked, they can make themselves bigger. Look how they make themselves bigger when they croaked. So see how they made themselves bigger. Look, in this way they make their body and make their cells bigger. This is the posture. Okay, so this was to show how big he had become, so a snake had let him go. After seeing his bigger figure, the snake let him go. Next morning, the two frogs decided to continue to their journeys. But as the sun rose above the horizon, they kept talking to each other. So what does the horizon means? Where the place where the sky seems to meet the land. So this is the picture of a horizon. This is that picture. That means this scenario shows us the horizon. What is the meaning of horizon? So they were very tired, but they did not really want to go alone anywhere, as they both of them became friends. Suddenly the Quato frog decided Quato frog had some idea. Okay, and he shared that idea with his new friend. They both jumped for joy as the pleasant weather pleasant weather and the scenario, the clear water, the pools are filled up with clear water. All these things makes them feel joy. And next moment the frog stood up. Though both of them stood up on their hind legs and hugged each other. Look how they hugged each other. This is the picture of the two frogs, how they hugged each other. So they hugged each other. They looked over each other's shoulder. Look how they look over others' shoulders and saw their destination with their own eyes. Look where their eyes are placed. But they did not seem to be at all excited. They are not at all excited after seeing this scenario. Why they are not at all excited? As the frog's eyes are at the back of their head. When the two frogs hugged each other, each of them was looking at the place he had come from. In reality, the places are not same. But as their eyes are at the back, that's why they look in their homeland when they stood up on their hind legs and hugged each other. So they thought that the two towns are the same. This is the story. That's why they never left the coziness of their homes again. Why? Because they believed that they were identical. That means the places are the same like their homeland. But in reality, they are not same. As their eyes are at their back, that's why they saw the same scenario, means their homeland. Okay? All of you understand? Everything is that clear to you all? So, thank you children for your cooperation.